out here at the Union eating some beautiful food.
Ginger root today.
Why did I get this? I don't like cooked peppers.
Really?
I didn't notice they had
Kind of a
them.
disappointment.
It's okay.
I'm also working with a sesame, chicken, and fried rice situation right here. I'm really excited about it. She's working more with a broccoli tofu situation.
Plus 300 more vegetables. that they
Plus
didn't mention.
lots
It looks
of bonus
delicious.
vegetables.
And she's working with a pork. What's it called?
Kung Pao pork.
Kung Pao pork. That's kind of a new one that you may have not heard of. What's the review on it, Josie?
It's kind of spicy. Tastes good though. Shouldn't have gotten it because of these green peppers.
No.
Josie's an absolute idiot. Katie, what just happened?
Josie just spent like 30 minutes trying to figure out what the 3-letter word for like a dog's face is or something.
Because that's
It was resting bitch face.
That's what they were saying Jax had. That's what they were saying Jax had. And I was like, I don't know what that stands for. I thought it was some disorder that my dog had.
Your dog has resting bitch face.
Turns out he's a bitch.
Also, shout out to Katie for being a health god tonight.
King size.
Thank you. King size.
We do 3-way cheers because we're kombucha gods.
Okay.
Feels like too much.
Just for the glass.
Yeah, that was a bit much. I'm just out here. Beautiful day. What arms in it? We're gonna go with some sandwiches too.
It's kind of breezy all of a sudden. The sun is reviving my soul.
Working on our tan. Looks good, I bet. Josie, tell the vlog what you're eating.
So it's called the Nutty Professor. It is a flatbread with peanut butter. Then it has chicken and bacon. And then buffalo sauce, cilantro, and cheese.
Wow. What'd you eat?
All my favorite things.
We got a veggie sandwich on really dark rye. It'll be really exciting.
Ooh. Veggie. I have a Mendota Club. It's mostly just turkey and avocado and all my favorite things. Pretty. Less pretty now. Just kidding. More pretty. Katie's feet hurt.
They do.
But
But I'm not adjusting the straps.
What's up, Maggie? I know you were gonna do that. We're just walking home. Beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Wait, what's that song? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. The beautiful day.
How are you doing that, Katie? Katie's. What the heck?
Doesn't want to stick.
I don't understand. How are they sticking? You have to tell everyone.
try it.
Of course,
do
Josie
magic
needs to try
mostly
it.
and special power.
So now, how long will we have these pencils on our wall for?
Probably forever.
How are you guys doing it? I don't know how they're doing it. I'm super confused. Oh my god, there's gonna be pencils everywhere. Look at, she's putting a pencil behind me.
Wait, it doesn't work.
Oh my god, Katie.
Does
just
this
chill.
one not work or something?
It did in my room. Oh, there we go.
Why?
How does this work? How does this work?
Because it takes all the paint off the wall and it makes it sticky.
Wait, where is the?
Is that actually how?
I don't know.
Like, why did
Can
I
I
get
please?
this?
Can I please?
Because
go?
now I'm like,
You're so like
Wait,
dedicated.
I'm gonna do a spike.
She's so frustrated with herself.
Wow. That's really special. Oh, Josie has to one up it though.
No, I'm not. I'm 3 down in it.
Never let you go. Never be alone.
It's all about, no, it's with the wrist. I just learned that. It's with a wrist flip. Gotta do that wrist flip.
Yeah.
This is
Like
embarrassing.
twice in my life I've done
I don't
this
want
twice.
video. This is for my own good.
So leave his own basket.
Call me
Wait,
girlfriend, girlfriend.
Grau taught me.
Wait, no, I'm gonna try Sprite.
I was
you
your
do
man.
These are the views we're gonna miss next year, Katie.
They don't have this at the embassy.
No.
This is celery exclusive.
This is super exclusive. Look how beautiful. Look at that light shining on that building. I don't even know where it's
He's going
coming
crazy.
from. Stats just personally attacked our friend Katie also.
It was awful. I spent an hour on one problem, and I'm considering dropping out of everything.
Good. That's what you should do. I agree. I've stopped going to lecture at this point. It's over for me too. Gonna try and finesse the final though. Guys, Josie's going to prom.
I'm going to my first communion.
She's on her way to pictures right now. And then she's gonna go to Olive Garden. Some might think it's Olive Garden, but it's actually Olive Garden.
I'm Staticky, dryer sheet hack. Do you
Oh
see
yeah.
my stain?
Look at her hair. It's really staticky too.
Oh,
you
you
see
can
my
barely
feet?
see it still.
I know you guys love this foot content.
Gross. I'm gonna start DMing you for money.
Oh my gosh.
Or asking to pay you money for more.
Well, comment below if you think Josie looks pretty for
No.
her
delete
first
this.
college prom.
Delete all this.
No, I'm not. It's so good. We're gonna give you guys a review. But Erin wants to feature it for brushing her hair.
Aggressively brushing my hair.
Oh, hey, vlog.
You didn't see it there. Literally, 'cause your hair is in front of your eyeballs. Anyway, review 10 out of 10. Would definitely recommend if you're in the Madison area.
Yeah,
or-
there's an article on it.
Is there?
Yeah, I was telling Mel, there's an article of like things to do in Madison or like best things to do in Madison. And like getting one of these ring rolls is one of them.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Yeah.
Ready? I'll film myself eating it.
How is this?
I don't remember. One of your names is Nash. I don't
That's
remember.
fine. This is Nick. I'm Nash. This is your vlog.
This is my vlog.
No way. Yo, this is Belle Brecky. Please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much. Finally, you have some friends that respect my channel, Evan.
I'm so proud of them. They know how to respect Annabelle Brecky.
Thank you.
The one and only.
Thank you for using my full
The
name.
one and only.
Got more of the chair. Say hi to my vlog again.
Annabelle Brecky.
chair with him?
Wait, this is, hey guys,
I
you
don't
remember? This is Hannah who ordered the chicken nuggets.
I ordered the chicken.
She was the one in Chi-Town that ordered those chicken nuggets. We got waffles, we
ordered
got
the chicken
pancakes,
nuggets.
we got
There's
omelets. But no, she ordered chicken nuggets.
I was
She was ready
also
for
the
lunch.
fire master. I'm just gonna say that.
You
I
know
was the
what?
fire
My
master.
best friend at home is a fire master, but I think she'd be proud to let you do the
Thank you. I hope you're proud of me. I hope I did a good job.
You did the best job. There's Erin and Maggie. They're so far behind. Those are Evan's friends at Hen, but we lost Evan.
I don't know where Evan is, but guess we lost.
Say hi, Erin.
Hello, vlog. I'm feeling good. We came from a bonfire. I'm happy.
It's a video. It's for the vlog.
What's your vlog name again?
I told you, Belle Brecky.
We need to work it out. Anyone out there has a foot fetish? Foot fetish? Dope as shit. Mad talent.
I love that you're petting his feet. That's kind of sweet. Thank you. Thank you.
Erin, you made her mirror fall.
Oh, thank you.
No, only the brakes. Yeah, that's where I said it.
Grau, you're in. Wait, Grau, how many vitamins are you eating?
Do Jason Mraz, I'm yours.
That's my why you're so good. That is my roommate.
Oh my god, you're so good!
Wait, did you know how to play it or did you
No.
Maggie!
Maggie!
Oh god!
I was laughing because that's so funny. I've never done that before.
Go to AWA's Breakfast on the Farm. Basically, we pay $5. We get all you can eat breakfast and we get to pet really cute farm animals. So it's a win-win for everyone. That's it.
Katie's also here, and we brought Josie out this wonderful morning, and me, of course, behind the camera, the magic behind the camera. That sounds weird.
So look at this feast.
Super loud music. This is gonna be really good.
Yes. How sweet. Aren't they so sweet? What are your thoughts? Oh, look who else is here. It's Erin. Erin, show us your lip.
I don't know how I got this.
How sweet.
Guess how old they are?
How sweet.
The kid is so cute.
I know, I know. Why are you telling me? I love that. No. Oh my god. Look how cute, guys. Look how sweet. And more of a walk.
on your nature account.
Look at this. Haul.
The ducks on your nature account.
No. Hello vlog. So we're gonna give Josie a haircut tonight. It's currently 10:40 p.m. I have my scissors ready. So yeah, get ready, stay tuned. Hopefully I don't screw it up. How does it look?
Can you tell it's shorter?
It is definitely shorter, and it doesn't even look that bad. You can go ask our
That
friends.
bad? I hope it doesn't look that bad.
It doesn't look shorter. It looks pretty even. Right here. The farmer's market. We got cheese bread.
Stella's spicy cheese bread, our favorite. Happy finals week.
People here
Best way to spend finals week.
doing great.
Hi vlog. So I got a care package from my mom.
And we're gonna do what's it called? A haul.
So I got some peanuts.
Lightly salted, lovely.
I don't really, okay, yeah. Late July organic bite-sized cheddar cheese. Basically
sound
cheese
good.
it. Oh, okay, so popcorn. Wait, is this like popped? Like, I think I pop it.
Ooh, an unboxing as well. This is fun. Oh, microwavable, sure.
Microwavable, amazing. I'm totally gonna finish all this in a week. Handmade Italian lemon cookies. That's
Yum.
so cute. This.
Ooh. They're
Little
granola
apple
cookies.
treats. Oh yeah, granola cookies. That's cute. Granola. Oh my god, best cookies in the world.
Yum.
This. Bunny tail puffs.
This is so cute.
That
This
was
is
so
like-
cute. Oh my god, there's a card. Oh, it's for both of us. Oh my god. It's for,
Aw.
oh, that's so cute. Belle's like,
No, it's okay. I'm just here to film.
so.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Good luck.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
sweet.
Keep up the good grades. Hope
That's
this
so
sets you
cute.
through.
Thank you, Tina.
Look at how lovely this is, Katie.
It's a lovely date. We just had stats. Feeling a little bit shafted, but mostly.
I woke up 5
Doing
minutes
well.
before we had to leave. But now I have this lovely sandwich, and look at this view. Views. Katie, tell the vlog what you just received.
I just opened this card from my grandma. Just opened this card from my grandma. It's, Dear Katie, I hope you will buy something to wear for spring. Maybe you and your buddies could have a treat together also. It's $200.
It's Katie, my second meal of the day. All we do is eat.
We're having.
Josie's here
It'll be
now.
my second too.
Dates on dates. Probably good food today. Breakfast was.
Watch the vlog. Now you get to be in it.
You're licking the freaking camera.
This stuff is.
This is just not a good situation.
He got it all over.
We're just making dinner.
Just making dinner.
And don't approve.
Oh, it smells not good.
I'm a vegetarian. I don't know which way to go. Maybe use that. I'm not.
You're doing well.
Bye vlog.
We're going back to Lake Phillips, so stay tuned.
One.
Wait.
Buy celery
Okay,
whatever.
wait. No, hold up the
Oh
vlog.
my god, no.
Bye vlog.
Okay, well,
I know
this
you're
is
not
it.
angry.
Let's walk through that door and never come back.
No. Come back Sunday. You should be the people that knock on next year's door.
Oh,
like,
we said that, but I don't know if we
I'm
did.
gonna come to 7 8 next year. Sorry. Well, like,